Thank you for clicking on this help video. In this example, we have that the function f is represented by the graph shown below, and we want to draw the graph of g, but g is defined as a third of f of x. So we want to start by first identifying what the x and y values are for f. Now, because this is a line segment, we don't want to get all of the pretty points. We only need this point here at the bottom, this point right here on the top, because we could connect those two with a straight segment, and this point right here, because we could connect that one from the second to the third. So on the very far left, we have the point -6, -6. The point at the very top is 4, 9. And then the point over here on the very far right is at 8, -9. Okay? Now, to draw the image of this, because of the program that we're using, and this essentially is using a polygon, not line segments, is that we need to start either on the left or on the right. We never start in the middle, okay? So since I started here on the left, I'm going to transform this point and along with the other ones in that order by doing this operation. So I can clearly see, look, I want to get a third of my f of x value. So I want to get a third of these three numbers. So a third means to multiply by 1 over 3. So the x values are not going to change. And the coordinates for this graph, the transformation, are going to have the same x values as f, but all the y values, aka the f of x values, are multiplied by 1/3. So -6 times 1/3 is -2, 9 times 1/3 is 3, and -9 times 1/3 is -3. So plotting these points in this order, again, in this order from left to right, we're going to have the point -6, -2, 4, +3, and then finally 8, -3. And as I plot these points, these line segments will automatically again appear, and it'll automatically connect these points. That's why you don't want to start in the middle, because it automatically connects those the points. So if I started here and I connect it to this one, when I try to connect the third one or plot the third one, it'll connect that there. And I don't want that. I want this segment there, because I need to draw a third of this original one. So instead of going up 9, like in this point right here, instead of going up 9 from the x-axis, I want to only go up 1/3 of that value, so which is 3. And the same thing with the other points. Instead of going down 6, I only want to go 1/3. And the same thing here, I only want to go 1/3. So I still have essentially the exact same shape, but the height has just been shrunk uh, by 1/3 of that value. So again, never start in the middle on this example. Okay. Well, hopefully again this video was helpful, and I do appreciate you watching.